Show me the color when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have him all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. Said I'm from a city that's high school. I give him this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money, she break up.
Bye. See ya. Daddy, say hi. Hi. Hi guys. This is the next morning and we have Thanksgiving today. We woke up pretty early and at least we needed that rest. Yesterday was mad. Yesterday was crazy.
Yesterday was mad.
Yesterday was the best day. The best day of my life.
Yesterday was
Omo. So we're trying to make something to eat. We came here with some food that's raw food. We're going to make now. Our chef
baby or nothing. Chef baby. Call me chef baby people.
Chef baby people.
Okay,
So she's preparing something for us to eat. I don't know how this food is going to turn out, but anyhow, we see it, we take it just to nobody. I swear to God.
I'm waiting to stop. Don't tell me I don't know what I do for kitchen. So I have to be constantly tapping it.
Are you hungry? You are hungry, oh. You guys think it's just a chop spoon. Eh? Don't go ahead. Our food is ready. Let me bring out. We're going to eat this thing with our fish that I got from the reception yesterday.
So this is AI side now.
Well, just microwave it and place it by the plate. Onye choili.
Okay, yeah, we have some other account.
Shoot them in. Ama. Ah. Daddy, say hi.
Talk Martin.
You guys. We're going for food delivery for our parents.
Yeah.
Let them chop something before we go to church. Baby shake to hunger wants to buy my brother. Yeah, let's go.
Daddy.
Daddy, say hi.
Hi.
This is my dad, you guys.
Daddy never do it.
We don't know.
Where is the go canal?
He has been working since he just wake up 11. No, kind of I be like again.
11.
Church. Thanksgiving. Welcome. So say hi. Hi. Red velvet. The cake is trash. Hi guys, we are back from the church. Someone just got some groceries that we needed for this place, so I'm going to show you guys. We got drinks. I'm going to put them in the fridge now. They told us swap or she come and wash their clothes too. See the carrying carton of Indomie. What is it? Do you want to eat Indomie? You want Indomie? And here we have cornflakes, milk, more bread. So yeah. So my chief vice made something for me. I thought that's my food. Can't get the juice now. Let's chill. Anyone? Hi y'all. Say hi. Hi. We're having a movie night. Yes, baby. Jesus, really Fred. See on my hair. It's already scattering. Really looking weird. I don't go with my edge. All this glitter. Anyways. It's 2 o'clock in the night and we're Say hi guys. Hi guys. DK is finally up. Say good morning. Let's go. Why are you wearing heel? You guys, Rina is making. She's making real videos. Alright, let's go. Hi guys. Today we are leaving, but we are making breakfast first. My elbow chef in the building. I'm making fried egg, toast bread with tea. Some people are taking Indomie, while some are taking toasted bread. Daddy, I'm making egg for you. See, egg. Auntie Nene is making egg for you. Yeah,
Kish, Auntie Nene. Kish, kish.
Hi guys. Hi babies. What's up? It is Monday morning. We are packing out. We're moving out of this place. Give me the mirror. Give me a no. Bring out the kids' wives. Then lock the bag. Don't put inside the bag. So we are already packed. See. Oh, Babungongo. We are set to go. Oga, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
My people, are you guys ready?
We are ready.
Are you ready?
We are ready.
I thought you guys were looking so fine. Why are we looking homeless?
From our
You guys are looking homeless. Hey, Jesus, Mo. Hi, babies. I'm already naked, but let me see your nakedness. Sheenie, are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Precious, blow kiss for me. Hey, wait. This is not the vibe I want. Precious, blow kiss for me.
Yeah.
See yourself on YouTube like this. It's all in now. Oh, they are going to miss me. You guys miss my elder brother. Say hi. My younger brother.
Hi.
My cousin sister.
Hi.
They don't want to go. They want to stay with me forever. All my visitors. Na Noyefa. What's this weird day? But so say this in container. For them bottle, a big bottle. Oh, I swear. And clipper are chargeable. Abi? All chargeable. Oh my guys are ballers.
Yeah.
Oh my guys are ballers. Oh my guys are ballers. One, where would they go?
We are leaving.
You're not.
I was yours, you were mine, but it's time.